Hi guys, welcome and let's solve this question before us. And I read the question. So for n, open the bracket 3 to power 2n to power n minus 2 to power 2n to power n, close the bracket squared equals to 25. And so guys, now we do this question. And the question, guys, we start with this side. Guys, I write 25 in terms of factors, which is now 5 times 5. After that, guys, I can also come and write 1 here times 5, and again here I can write times 1. Guys, when I write like that, I am correct in that 1 times 5 times 5 times 1 still is equals to 25. And from there now I check for two numbers. I look for two numbers that if you subtract you get 1, if you add you get 5. And those two numbers are actually 3 and 2. And so we shall have for 1, 3 minus 2. For 5, you put times there, 3 plus 2, again times 3 plus 2, and finally I shall have times 3 minus 2. Now from there, I will come and combine these two. I combine this, I also combine this. So guys, when I do that, I'll get 3 squared minus 2 squared. And guys, this is difference of 2 squares. And so that will be like that, times again on this side, we shall have 3 squared minus 2 squared, like that. And so guys, this now will give us 3 squared minus 2 squared. All that now is going to be squared. And this is now what we are saying is equal to, open the bracket, 3 to power 2n, n minus 2 to power 2n to power n squared. And so these two terms, guys, are equal. And therefore, if they are equal, we shall have, as you can see, here we have 2, here we have 2, that is squared. Both have this square. Guys, we also have this 3 and 2, and the same case here we have 3 and 2. And so guys, it goes without saying that whatever power has raised 3 and 2, which is also equal, and which is also equal on this right side equation, guys, then it's also supposed to be equal. And so therefore we shall have 2 is now equal to 2n raised to power n. So therefore guys, now we equate these two. And so guys, I can write 2 in form of 2 raised to 1. And on this other side, this 2n raised to n still remains. Guys, now you can compare these two values. As you can see, guys, we have a 2 here. And guys, you can see we have a 2n. And whatever have raised this 2, guys, you can see is actually half of the base. And as you can see here, guys, the base is 2 times the power, just like on this other side. And so guys, it goes without saying then, we can say 1 is equals to n and 2 is equals to 2n. And so therefore, guys, as you can see, that tells us that n equals to 1 for this first equation, and even for the second equation, guys, n is still equal to 1. And so therefore, guys, our solution is n equals to 1. And thank you, guys, even for listening to me. So guys, here is your question. And as you can see, it was it's quite a nice question. That is Edith's question, and this is how I could do it. And so thank you, guys, even as you watch, even as you see how I do it. So guys, bye bye.